Okay class, so let's break it down into 3 easy steps that we're looking for when we read synoptic charts. Step 1, look for our high pressure and our low pressure areas. Let's find them here. High pressure area, high pressure area, high pressure area, high pressure area, and down the bottom we've got a little bit of low pressure areas down here. That's step 1 done. H's and L's. On our other graph, we can see them here. High pressure, low pressure, low pressure. That's the first thing that we need to look for. Step 2. Why do we look for our high pressure and low pressure areas? Because that's where the wind's going to be. That's the direction that our atmosphere and all of our air is going to be moving. Now, step 2, we're going to look for our isobars. So we're going to use our eyes to find them. Our isobars, yep, you guessed it, are going to be the white lines rotating. And in our isobars, that's where our weather is stable, which means all of the air around it is going to be moving and shifting and the weather's going to be changing. So here, if we have a high pressure area and our isobar is all stable there, in between we're going to have all of our high pressure and low pressure air moving around. But are there any low pressure bars there? No, there aren't, which means that in this area, warm air is going to be moving, and it's going to be moving fast, and it's going to be moving slow and consistently around, because when high pressure gets close to low pressure, yep, it moves really fast, and when it's far away, it keeps rotating nice and slowly. Step 3, we're going to look for our low pressure troughs. Now remember, low pressure troughs look like rain. And down in our rain sections, you guessed it, there's going to be rain. Our blue or yellow dotted lines are going to indicate those areas where there's going to be light to heavy rainfall. And finally, step 4 is looking for our step 4, we're going to look for our cold and our warm fronts. These are going to indicate where the weather's going to be changing. So here, we can see a cold front. What direction is it moving? You guessed it, down to Victoria. So the pointed arrows show you the direction that's going. Or the rounder ones for warm, kind of looks like a sun. Show you where the warm troughs are going to be moving. So on here, no warm troughs. So sad. On your own maps at home, you can take a look at where your warm troughs may be. And remember that our cold fronts always move faster than our warm fronts, unfortunately. So these ones are going to be moving pretty fast, and hopefully it means some sunny weather is going to be coming in soon. I hope you guys all learn this and understand this well. If you have any more questions or you want me to go over anything else, feel free to ask in the next class when we look more at our water cycle as we did today. And the reason why it's so important to understand our synoptic graphs is because of this that we're going to be looking at. And because when we can see how the wind is moving and how the wind is carrying moisture in it or going to areas where there may be more moisture, we can predict when rain's coming. And when we can predict where rain's coming, we can see how our water cycle is going to be going, and we can see potentially where we need to put in plans for preserving more water, or where we might get flooding or other natural areas if they're not ready to deal with how our water moves around. Thank you, class, and enjoy your night.